Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So it is now day 4 and we're gonna go ahead and tackle an open space. I'm gonna do my entry hallway, my entry closet, my stairs, my upstairs hallway, and my linen closet. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay y'all, I don't know why it is, but I found this task to be so daunting until I actually did it. I was dreading doing my stairs, I was dreading having to clean this closet because I have never really cleaned it before and organized it. I just always just thrown stuff in there. So I found it to be a daunting task, but it only took me a half hour. And I was so happy when I was finished. So even the smallest task can seem like a lot, but honestly, break them into small sections and just tackle it. Something I realized when I started this process is my house accumulates a lot of cobwebs. They're in every corner of every area that I've hit since we started. It's crazy. This is everything that came out, and only a few items will go back in. I'm trying to minimize my areas as much as possible. A lot of the boxes will go to recycling, and there were some clothes in there that needed to be donated. This closet is my vacuum's home, so once I am done today, it will go right in there and fit perfectly. My linen closet isn't honestly that bad, but there's a few items in there that just don't belong in there, and I would like to just clean it up, tidy it, and make sure that I know what's all in there, as I have a lot of backups. And that's it for today, guys. It was such a small task that took me a very small amount of time. I'm glad I tackled it. I feel so much better that this part of my house is finished. Thank y'all for watching, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you guys to stick around.